In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make a quiz in Jotform. This is useful for creating interactive quizzes, assessments, surveys, or educational tests. Open your browser and go to jotform.com. Then sign in to your account. From your dashboard, click plus Create, select Form, then choose Start from Scratch and Classic Form. Once you're in the form builder, click the header text at the top of your form and enter your quiz title. Next, click Add Element and select Full Name from the Basic tab. This allows participants to enter their name before taking the quiz. Now click Add Element again and choose Single Choice or Multiple Choice depending on the type of question you want to create. Click the choice element and enter your question. Then add the available answer choices. Repeat this process to add as many quiz questions as you need. Once your form is ready, open a new browser tab and search for Quiz Form Jotform. Open the Jotform quiz form page and click Open Quiz Form. If you're asked for permission, click Allow. Select the form you just created from the form picker and click Continue. Your Jotform is now connected to the quiz functionality, allowing you to use features such as scoring and answer feedback. That's how to make a quiz in Jotform. Thanks for watching.